In this video, you'll learn how to create a newspaper magazine blog website using WordPress and integrate AdSense for monetization. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional site tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Sites in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. This is where you will manage your websites. After reaching the Sites section, locate and click on the button labeled Create with AI. This option will initiate the process of setting up your new website. Once you click it, you may see a message stating that the system is laying the foundations for your site, indicating that the setup is in progress. Next, you will need to wait for the AI to load the necessary components. During this period, a loading indicator may appear showing that the system is processing your request. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the current server load. When the AI has completed the setup, you will receive a prompt suggesting to make your website as unique as you. This message sets the stage for the customization options you will soon encounter. Take notes of the next steps as they will guide you through the initial configurations. At this point, type in the phrase "Create a newspaper magazine blog website" into the provided text box. This action helps the AI understand the type of content and layout you desire for your site. After entering the text, click on the Enter button to proceed. Once you click Enter, WordPress will confirm that it can create a newspaper magazine blog website based on your input. This confirmation is a critical step as it reassures you that the AI is aligned with your vision for the site. Now type in the choice that appears above in the selection box. This choice will help refine the AI's understanding of your specific needs. After typing in your selection, click Enter again to confirm. Following this, you will see another prompt asking about the title of your website. This title is what will appear in the Browser tab. Type in your desired site title and click Enter to save your changes. Next, you will be prompted to enter a tagline or description for your site. This tagline will show up in search results and social media previews, helping to convey what your site is about. Type in a suitable tagline and again click Enter to proceed. Now that you have entered the necessary details, click on the Create My Site button. This action will officially initiate the creation of your website. Be prepared to wait a moment as the site is being set up. Once you click Create My Site, a message will appear saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that WordPress is generating your new website. This process may take some time, especially for complex sites, so patience is essential. As the site is being generated, you will see a loading screen. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a while. It is essential to ensure that you have a stable connection to avoid interruptions during this process. Finally, after waiting for the generation process to complete, you will receive a notification indicating that your site is ready. You can now start customizing and adding content to your new newspaper magazine blog website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.